students, welcome back to Diksha Vedantu English channel. This is Suhas, your mathematics master teacher. Students, in this video we discuss overall trigonometry unit. It's nothing but introduction, identity with application in within 30 minutes. Students, we know from this unit we can expect 12 to 14 marks. Students, please watch the video till end to ensure to get 14 marks in our board exams. Come on, let's discuss. As these are the three important topics, subtopics of the trigonometry, trigonometric ratios and relations, very important trigonometric ratio of standard angles, trigonometry identity 1. In CBSE, they already removed two trigonometric identities, only one is there. And also last one, application of trigonometry is nothing but find height, the distance, that is. Okay students, come on, let's start with the trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry, triangle is there. In trigonometry, triangle is there, especially this right angle triangle. Very important. Mainly in trigonometry, we use right angle triangle. Second learning outcomes is in relation between trigonometric ratio. Okay, why study trigonometry? Why, sir? Why we need to study trigonometry? To find out the distance, long distance, like an Earth to planet and Earth to some other planet, then used in GPS. You know, right? You need to travel Lucknow to UP. You can easily travel that, and also helps in navigation. Okay, these are the example. Okay, let's look at an interesting puzzle. Here, see students. In North America, we already know the trees are extremely tall. We cannot find the height. By using trigonometry, we can easily find out the height. Okay, if the sun is fall on the tree, what happened? This is happened. Then we can easily build on triangle. This is right angle, right students? By using trigonometry, we can easily find out. Okay. Then for trigonometry, we have some few basic terminologies. For example, take an triangle ABC. It is at angle theta and C is it is right angled at C. Okay. The angle B is equal to theta. Just look here. And we know, right, from BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If we draw this theorem, what happened? This is same only, but the theta is never varying. If we draw one parallel line also, this theta is varies, na? No. And also by using the theorem, what we tell like that, AC by BC, that is equal to DE by BE. We already know, we already familiar. We can easily divide. If we divide, if you do like this, what happened? If theta is varies, this angle not equal. Okay, it's nothing but the ratio is always depends upon the theta. Look here, what happened? Ratios of the side is always become it is always depends the angle theta. It only depends the angle theta. We know, right? For example, here look here students, in angle we have two triangle ACB and ADE or ABC. The triangle ABC is nothing but theta and it is also same. By using this, by AA creation, right students, criterion. How can we write like this? AB by DB. Here this one and this one is equal to, and that is equal to BC by BE. This one. Where is the BC? Yes, BC by BE and also AC by DE. AC and DE. This one we already know. Finally, how can we write like this? AC by BC, that is equal to DE by BE. We can write like this. It's nothing but from this, how do we conclude? So the ratios of any sides of a right angle triangle depends only on the angle theta. From this, how can we conclude that? The ratios, especially the ratios of the side, is completely depending upon the angle theta, not an right angle. It is depend upon the angle theta. It's vary with angle theta. Okay. What is trigonometric ratios? Here some important TR ratios is there. TR ratios or trigonometric ratios. We have totally 6 ratios, students. It is very important. Please buy out this ratio. Buy it. Very simple. We have 6 ratios. Sin theta is there. Cos theta, tan theta. If you write these 3 now, you can easily write another 3. Another one is an cosecant, secant and cot. Then let's take an triangle at right angle at B, ABC. If we consider this is an angle theta, then this side, the long side become hypotenuse. We already familiar this in triangle only hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. This is adjacent is there. This one is opposite. It become opposite. This one is adjacent. Then by using this, what is sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but AB by BC. What's about cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse, BC by AB. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Very simple, AB by BC. Then what's about cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite is nothing but reverse of the sin theta. cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta is nothing but BC by AB. It is also 1 by cos theta is nothing but BC by, not in AB by BC. Yes, yes, AB by, anything is happened, BC? No, it is AC, right? It is AC, and also this one AB by AC, hypotenuse guys, AB by AC, super. AC by AB. Yes, AC by BC, AC by BC, cot theta it becomes AB by BC by AB. These are the 6 trigonometric ratio, BC by SAB. Okay, how to finalize? By this we can easily conclude sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. This opposite and adjacent, it depends upon the angle theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What about tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. If you know these 3 terms, you can easily identify another 3 ratios. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then move. Then let's get back to that puzzle. Here, look here. This is it's the same angle, right, students? In the ground, it forms some diagram. This is an angle, it is right angle. Let's choose theta here, and by using a triangle, for example, we don't know the height value, same. We have 2 similar triangles. By let's take a similar example or similar triangle with the same angle theta, 4 by 3. From we already know from using that which trigonometry ratio theta should be used for h. How to find out? H is nothing but if you take this theta, this symbol become hypotenuse. We don't know the hypotenuse value. Adjust opposite and adjacent. By using tan theta, right, student? By using tan theta, we can easily find out. It's nothing but h by 60 is equal to 4 by 3. If you multiply this, 3h is equal to 123. You need to cancel that. 3 ones are 320s are 24s are 80 meter. Very simple. Let's solve some questions, student. First question. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B. They only give right angled at B. Then if AB is equal to 4 centimeter, students, first important step. Convert the problem into diagram. It's nothing but you need to draw. In trigonometry, you need to draw some triangles. Right angle triangle, then depends upon the value, given value, assign the given data in the triangle. If you do this, you can easily, if this is for 3 marks now, you can easily get 1 marks for this one. Okay, in maths, this is very, very important. You need to solve the math problem by step. Let's start. AB is equal to 4 centimeter is there, BC is equal to 3 centimeter is there. Then find the all trigonometry ratios of A. Sin A, this is an theta, okay, this is an theta, then this value become hypotenuse, this value become opposite, this value become adjacent. Right, students? We don't know the hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? What is state that the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the square of the adjacent part, the square and the sum of the adjacent plus opposite, right, students? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 4 square is nothing but 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25. AC square is equal to 25. The value of AC is become plus or minus 5 is nothing but 5 centimeter. We already know, students, how to verify this. It is correct or not. Very simple. We know hypotenuse is a long side. If this value, hypotenuse value is low now, oh, something is happened. Something is happened is nothing but you mistakenly do in this some that's factor not in factorization. This some problem is there now. We reduce that equation. Here you need some problem. You have some mistakes. Okay. This about hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse value? 5 centimeter. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite value? Is 3. 3 by 5. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta becomes 5 by 3. You need to mention theta or theta is equal to A. First only consider theta is equal to A. That's very simple. What about cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. 5 is common here, 4. Adjacent is become this, theta adjacent. Adjacent. It is present in the theta adjacent. Very simple. Opposite. Yes. Cosecant theta is done. Secant theta is and reciprocal is nothing but 5 by 4. Then sin cos. Then tan theta. 3 by 4. Cot theta is equal to 4 by 3. These are the values. Let's take once. Yes, it's correct. Next question. In the triangle, right angle triangle, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. A, B, C. Okay. 1 by root 3 is nothing but opposite by adjacent, right? Opposite by adjacent is nothing but 1 by root 3 value. Then find the value of sin A, cos C, cos A, sin C. This is angle CA. Then we need to take this. Okay, this is angle C. Then this is P. Okay. I hope it's clear. Angle A, we know this by using which theorem? By using Pythagoras. AB square is equal to 1 square plus root 3 square. It's nothing but 3. 1 plus 3, 4. AB is equal to 2. This side becomes 2. Okay, students, 2 is clear. Then what is the value of sin A? What is the value of sin A here, students? Sin A is there. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite? 1 by 2. What's about cos A? Root 3 by 2. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Then sin C. Sorry, cos C and sin C. What is the value of sin C or cos C? If we take this angle, this angle, hypotenuse is same only, students, long side. But if we take this angle, this side becomes adjacent, this side becomes hypotenuse. What is the value of cos C? Cos C value becomes adjacent by hypotenuse. It is nothing but 1 by 2. Then what's about that one? Root 3 by 2, sin C value. Opposite this one, root 3 by 2. What they are? Sin A into cos C. Sin A value is 1 by 2, cos C value is 1 by 2. Then plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. If you multiply this, 1, 2 2s are 4 is there, 2 2s are 4, then root 3 into root 3, it's become 3. 4 is LCM, 1 plus 3, the answer is 1. Yes, the answer becomes 1. I hope it's clear. Next move for student, relation between the trigonometric ratio. We are already familiar. We have mainly two relation. One is called reciprocal relation, quotient relations. What is the reciprocal relation? We already know sin theta is equal to opposite, adjacent, everything is same na. We can write cosecant theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Yes, absolutely we can write why na. Sin theta, cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta get cancelled, then it equal to 1. Similarly, we have these three. These are called reciprocal ratio. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cosecant theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Then also tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Then move on to the next ratio is there. This is called reciprocal ratio. Then one quotient relations. What is the quotient relation? We already know. What is the tan theta value? Sin theta by cos theta, it becomes tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta become tan theta. Similarly, it's nothing but opposite by adjacent, it becomes tan theta. Then if we reverse that one now, we can easily got cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta. These are useful. These ratios are useful to find out the values like height and other values. We know some values only, hypotenuse we don't know the value. We already know the opposite and adjacent value. By using this, or by we already know sin theta cos theta value, instead of we find out the hypotenuse, then after substitute, then after find out, instead of this we can easily find out by using these ratios. Okay students, this is a very important. Please take a screenshot, or after the session or after this, in this description I post this notes, please download it. Okay students, this is about trigonometric ratios, relation trigonometric ratios. Next move on to the standard angles. In standard angles we have mainly basically 5 angles. Okay students, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. These are very important. Students, just leave everything. Just in class only I already teach you guys, but we need to divide that 30 degree, 40 degree. Just leave. I give some simple trick how to remember. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide these numbers by 4. This is very easy trick. What happened here? 0 by anything is 0. 1 by 4, it become 1 by 2, root 3 by 4 and 1. Then taking a square root. What is the square root value of 0? Is 0. What is the square root value of 1 by 4? It 1 by 2. What is the square root value of 2 by 4? It is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. What is the value of 3 by 4 is nothing but root 3 by 2. This is 1. Then right reverse, in the right reverse forms. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, then 0. Then 0 by anything. Here we already know, right? 0 by anything is 0. Tan 0 value 0. 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. It become 1 by root 3. Right students? Then what about this? Root 2 get cancelled. 1. Root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. It value becomes root 3. 1 by 0. 0 by 1 is 0. But 1 by 0 is not defined, or infinity. We cannot define the values. Then cosecant theta. Cosecant theta 0 by 1 is nothing but not defined. Right? Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. 1 by 0, we already know it's a not defined value. Then cosecant 1 by 30. 1 by sin theta is nothing but 1 by 2 is there. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, then 1 by 1 only. Then simply do same thing for 1. Then root 3 by 2, it's become 2 by root 3, same. And 1 by root 2, it is become root 2 only. Then what about this value? 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. Then 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined. Similarly, reverse this order, we can get this. Cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. Right? Here already tan 0 is there. No. 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined. 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined. What's about this? Sine by cos. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 get cancel. Reverse, right, students? We need to reverse this. We need to reverse the tan theta value. 1 by root 3 is nothing but root 3. Then 1 is nothing but 1 only. Then 1 by root 3. Then what about 0 by anything? 0 by 1 is nothing but 0 only. These are the values. By using this trick, you can easily identify. I hope the trick is easy. And if it easy, then comment Super Sir, Suhas Sir OP. You know, right? Always you do this thing. OP in Suhas Sir, OP in chat, OP in chat. Suhas Sir OP. Then comment Suhas Sir OP. Suhas Sir trigonometric trick. Okay, comment that. Okay, let's move for the find out some problems. Here, I know student, most of the students, sir, trigonometry problem, I can't find the values. Don't worry, your bhaiya is there, your brother is there. I give simple trick to solve a trigonometry. Okay, don't worry, student. Definitely, if you watch all the videos, I have planned to do in all units in 30 minutes. It is very useful for you in revision time, and also in the morning, some Monday morning session, I do last minute revision. On that revision, I teach everything in within 1.5 hours, and also half an hour doubt session for you guys. Okay, students. I hope it's clear. But for that, I give one target for you. Math session start from Thursday evening. Okay. Till Monday, we have totally 3 days. In 3 days, we target for 4K subscription. We already crossed 2K. Your Suhas Bhaiya 3 days continuously session. We take continuously session for you guys. Then share the channel and must and should be channel cross 4K. Here, what is the question? From the figure, find angle A, angle C. We need to find out the angle A, angle C. Okay. Let's take angle A. What is the value of this? This value become adjacent. This value become hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. What is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to 3 by 6. Then sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. What is the 1 by 2 value? Where we get 1 by 2 value? Where is 1 by 2 is there? 30 degree. Then angle A becomes 30 degree. Very simple. Similarly, this angle, if we consider this angle adjacent by cos 60. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but where we get 60 value, theta value becomes 60. Very simple, very easy question. Next question. 1 minus tan square v is equal to 2 by 3. Find the values of v. How to find out? Very simple, student. 1 minus tan square v is there. Simple here. Tan square v. If we transfer this value or this side or this value from this side, we can exchange what we write like that. Tan square minus 1 by 3. Tan square value becomes 1 by 3. If we take SBS, SBS is nothing but not an squaring on both sides. Take a square root on both sides. If you take a square root, tan mu value, tan v value become tan square v value become tan v. Then 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 value is nothing but tan 30. 30 cancel, this we got answer. Next, more the trigonometry identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is an first identity, and also in your syllabus this identity is only there. Okay, let's solve. Let's take an example here, students. From according to this is an theta. What is the sin square theta and cos? Okay, from using Pythagoras theorem, by PT. PT is nothing but not in PT master, physical education master. PT is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, how can we write like this? AB square, this is equal to BC square plus AC square. Then divide this equation by AB square. Then this value becomes 1, BC square plus AC square. Then AC square plus, not an AC square, I think it is AB square. Yes, AB square by AB square. We can write like this, BC by AB whole square. Similarly, AC by AB whole square. BCAB, okay. BCAB is there. Adjacent by hypotenuse is nothing but cos square theta. Then AC by AB, AB is there. Opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but sin square theta. Finally, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Very simple. I hope it's clear, guys. We can write, if we transfer this cos square theta to an RHS side, it's become minus, sir. Sin square theta, we can write like this. These are It's an sub. For some time we use this also. Okay students, these are the two other one. Just remove this one. It is not important for you guys. Let's solve some problem. They give sin theta value, then find the value of cos theta. We already know cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Yes students, 1 minus 1 by 2. What is the value? 2. 1 by 2 only. 1 minus 1 by 2 of 2 only. Cos square theta. Then cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Very simple. Then they give this one cos square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. How to solve this? Cos square theta 1 plus sin, we can write like this, right students? Sin square theta plus by cos square theta. Tan square theta is nothing but this one, that is equal to 1. Then take LCM, cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta. Very simple students. If you think 30 seconds more now, you can easily solve by 2 steps only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, cos square theta. These two terms get cancelled. What is the value of this by using the identity is equal to 1. Very simple. Then next question. Secant square theta is something is there. Here you need to take in common. Okay. Else common of one secant square theta minus 1. It is nothing but what is the value of secant square theta minus 1. How to write that secant square theta, guys? Secant square theta is nothing but 1 by cos square theta. Secant square theta is nothing but cos square. 1 by cos square theta. If you take an LCM, it like this. 1 minus cos square theta value becomes sin square theta. Okay, here solve. Here look here. Secant square 1 by cos square now, right students? Then secant square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta minus 1. Right now, 1 by cos square theta, 1 minus cos square, just take an LCM here, cos square theta, then 1 minus cos square theta becomes sin square theta. Then if you solve now, what you get? Tan square theta by cos square theta. Very simple. Then take in this side. Here also take tan square theta common, then tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta is nothing but sin square plus cos square theta. Same thing. If you solve, you got the answer. Very simple by using the identity. Next question. Oh, sorry. We have in this 1 plus sin. We need to prove that this one secant square theta. 1 plus sin. Yeah, 1 by, take this as an LCM. Okay. 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta, that is equal to 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta. Okay, then a plus b into a minus b, it's become 1 minus sin square theta, a square minus b square theta. Sin theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. Okay, yes, 1 plus 1 become 2. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to, okay, here 2 is missing, sorry for that. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Then it becomes very simple. Yes, super. 2 cos 1 by cos is nothing but secant square theta. It proved that. Here look here, 2 secant square theta. Students, has absolutely 2 is missing here. 2 is missing here. Yes, I know this. Next question. 1 plus cos square theta, 1 minus cos theta. Very simple students. Everyone facing difficulty. Don't worry, your bias is there. 1 plus cos square theta. A minus b into a plus b. 1 minus cos is nothing but sin square theta. That is equal to 1. Cot is nothing but tan by, sin by tan. So sorry guys, cot is nothing but cos by sin. Cos square theta, sin square theta. Then take LCM. Take everyone. It's become sin square. These two terms cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is become 1. Prove that terms all are clear. Yes, next move on to the some application. Here we need to find out the angles, distance and application of trigonometry distance. Let's solve. By using problem, you can easily identify. First problem, guys. At a point A, 20 meters above the level of water. A point is 20 meters above the level of water. The angle of elevation of a cloud is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is nothing but 30 degrees, nothing but this theta. Okay, the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake at A is 60 degree and another angle is there. It's nothing but this is 60 degree. Find the distance of the cloud from the A. How to solve? Yes, super. This is the same thing. 30 degree angle in reflection. This thing is happened. Here we need to find out the distance of cloud. Where is the distance? Let's see. We need to find out the value of this height value we want. We don't know this value. If we know this any value, we can easily find out. For example, what is the tan 30 value? Tan 30 is equal to opposite hypotenuse. Yes, sir. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is nothing but h plus x is equal to 1 by root 3. Yes, 1 by root 3 is nothing but x is equal to 1 by, okay, h by x is there now. H by x is equal to 1 by root 3 or x is equal to root 3h. We got the x value. Then what is the x value is equal to AD by AB. AD where is, yes, this by AB by using that criteria, some criteria we can tell like that. In triangle ABD, in consider this triangle ABD, what is the tan 60 value? Tan 60 value becomes how much? They already give that value, right? Where they give? No, they never give. Finally we can write like this, 20 plus 20 plus h by x root 3. We get the root 3 answer and this one. From this, how to write that? We know root 3h is equal to 40 plus h by root 3. Then if you solve for x now, if you solve x, we got this answer. Root 3h is nothing but x. Here we already know root 3h is nothing but h. Then from using this, 3h is equal to 40 plus h is nothing but h value we know 20 meter. Then putting the value of h is in equation, what we happened? Root 3h, 20 root 3. By using Pythagoras theorem, we need to find out this value. By using, if you find out now, h value 40 meter. Then distance of the cloud from A is 40 meter. From this cloud, it's 40 meter. This is in distance. Very simple, students. Here, just look here. We need to find out this distance, cloud to A distance. If you convert the word problem into an triangle or into a diagram, you can easily find out the value. Very important. Okay, a girl. Next question. I think this is an last question. No, we have another question. A girl standing on the bank of a river observed that the angle of elevation of the top of tree standing in the bank is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Then when she moves 40 meter away, 40 meter, this is an 40 meter. From the bank, the angle of elevation becomes 30. Then this angle becomes 30. Then find the height of the tree. We need to find out the h. Ignoring the height of the girl. We need to ignore the height of the girl. This is a diagram. Yes, absolutely. This is a diagram. We don't know this value also. We need to find out this value. What is the tan theta value? Tan 30 is there. Tan 30 value, tan 60. If we take this value, it becomes x by h. Sorry, h by x is nothing but x value we got. We need to find out the x value we already got by using this tan 30. dB by AB by dB is nothing but h by x plus 40. If you solve this, you got some value. Then putting x is equal to root h by root 3 in root 3h. Then it's become root 3h plus x plus 20 root 3h. If you solve now, you can get the answer of h. It's nothing but 34.64. Very simple, students. We already know x is equal to root h by root 3 or root 3h is equal to x plus 40. We already know from using this is an answer, x is equal to h by root 3. Where? Yes. X value we know from using tan 3 to root 3 is equal to this one, x plus 40 is there now, h by root 3 is equal to x value, this one. Then if you solve now, you got the answer. That's very simple. Next question, last question. I hope it's an last question. We have, okay, a castle guard absorbs an enemy scoot riding. Here they're riding, here castle guard is there. Then at a uniform speed coming towards the castle. Uniform speed, uniform is nothing but he maintains the same speed and it takes 12 minutes. We know total time is in 12 minutes. Okay. Then for the angle depression to change 30 to 40, then change to in 12 minutes the angle change like this. How much time will the cattle cross? How much time? This is angle 30, angle 45. Okay. How much time? Here we need to find out the height of this one. Tower. Height we don't know. Let's choose as an HV. Okay. Then let's see with the initial position, any be 12 meters. This is an C, D value. You can write like this. From using tan theta. What is the tan theta? In height, most of the time we choose tan theta. Why? Because most of the time we need to find out the height. In exam also, most questions they ask only height. That's why tan theta very important. Tan 45 is equal to AB by BT. Let's choose this an height, h, and it is also VT. By using this, we got the h value. Then use this triangle, you got the root 3h value. Then what is the total triangle? If you use ACB triangle, then what is the value? Then h is equal to VT. Substitute the h value in this equation, then you got the t value. Very simple. Very simple. Root 3 VT. Then you got today's homework question, and also I have an extra question, homework question. If tan theta is equal to, then 3 by 4 sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. How to find out the cos theta? Let us know in comment section, guys. And also if you have any doubt, I know, sir, why sir you only solve only 2 to 3 problems in some application? Students, some application of trigonometry is very easy. Just concentrate here. Last 10 seconds. Application is nothing but only 3 marks or 2 marks question is coming from this topic. And also it is very easy. You need to find out the height only, height or this distance by using tan theta. Every time we use tan theta. Why sir? by using, if the triangle is look like, sir, we want this value or this value by using tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite adjacent. Just ignore this term. Hypotenuse is not at all important. You need to convert. You need to that talent. You not in talent. You need to that knowledge. Don't worry. You watch the video. In marathon I deeply discuss this because you guys are face a problem. That's why I know I deeply discuss in this concept, this topic on which day? Yes, Friday, Saturday. Don't worry. And also, students, please do not forget to share the video. What is the target? 4K students. I need minimum 4K subscription from your side. Okay, I do 3-day continuous long marathon. I need minimum 150 to 200 live watch. Share for your students, share your friends and everything. Okay, students, I hope everyone share the video, and thank you so much. Watch the video till end, and if you have any doubt, let us know in comment section, and please do not forget to type. Please do not forget to type comment like OP in chat, OP Suhas Sir, OP in chat in comment, and also this answer. Bye bye students, take care.